Look at this 1794 edition brand new Tundra. Beautiful truck. Let's look at the inside. Sheesh. Big screen, nice brown leather seats. Best part is the Retrax cover that we installed. Now you can just go to the back, open the bed up with one hand, and the cover's ready for a rack system. T-slot rails, heavy duty aluminum slats. You can lock the cover anywhere along the bed. If you have a Tundra and you need a bed cover, retractable, we have hard folding. We're the place in Phoenix. We do express install for all trucks. Get it done.